So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, I just have two things to tell you guys before I show you what I have on chat. The first one is a good news, though the second, they're all good news. So the first one is that we now have synthetic pairs on TradingView, so you can now set your alarm, so you will not miss out on your trade just because of we are not always on chat. So now you can now find synthetic pairs. I'm going to show you how you can find it in this video. Just stick to the end. So that is the first. The second is that some of my videos here are videos that are trades that I took, whether lost or profits. What I'm just doing here is just to show you guys that you can do it yourself. You get? So this is me like telling you, okay, this is the reason I took, like now I'm about to explain 91S trade. I explained it, the reason why I took the trade. So this is not me calling out signal for you. This is just me showing you you can do this yourself. Just watch this, because that's how I learned from the person that taught me. He did not give me signals. Instead, he showed me this is how to find your signals, those signals yourself. This is how you can do it yourself. So that's why I'm doing the same thing to you guys now. That's why I'm always here telling you I took a buy trade. I took a buy trade on 91S today, and the reason I took this is because I saw my indication in daily time frame. Went down to 4 hours and saw the market is building lows, higher lows. And I went down to 1 hour time frame to do this. So I will just explain. Then you will learn. You will learn it, and go to your chart and do the same thing, and watch it play out. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm not for some of you telling me trade live, do this, do that, bro. I trade higher time frame. There's no way I can show you my indication in daily. I will be live. The correction will happen and the continuation will happen. And again, guys, I don't want this to be long. So bye, guys. Yes, let me show you what I have to do. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my mission here is just to show you ICC. As you all know, ICC setup, nice ICC setup, so that you learn from you learn how to analyze your charts yourself. And so today I just want to show you guys, okay, I have a good news. The good news today is that you can now, for those of you that is trading volatility, you can now find volatility in TradingView, unlike before that is only on daily advanced charts. So but now is on volatility, so you can now set the alarm. You will not have to miss out on your trade anymore because of you are not always on charts. So to find this, you just have to go to the search bar, then search volatility, but make sure to put this underscore. Once you put this underscore, all of them will appear. As you can see, this is volatility 75, the 25, 10, 50, 100, 75, 1S, and all of them. So if you also check for this, you can also see all of them, including boom. Let me show you boom. This is boom. See, boom, 1000, 500, 900. So all of them, even step, all of them is there. So it's a very, very good news for synthetic traders. So it helps a lot. Now, then again, I want to show you guys this trade that I just entered. So I was actually waiting for sell in this trade, a sell continuation, because market break this low. Okay, I'll have to remove everything and remove all the drawing. Okay, market break this low, so giving me what this indication, go on a correction. Coming down below this place, I entered here, I sold from this place, then closed somewhere here. So I just like make some money here, like small little bread, then I go off. So coming back again, I saw that the market pushed all the way back without getting to the target. I was just like, okay, maybe it's not trying to buy. Let me know if it's going to break the upper side, because after this low is this high. So if market should break this high now, it will be a buy indication. So I was waiting for it. So market pushed all the way up to this place without breaking this, so this high. Then it gave us a wall high. So then I was not like, if market, I now like set my alarm here so that if market comes down below this place, I'm going to sell that. It's going to get to this indication. But I was not like, if this market wants to get to this indication, it's going to get to this indication the first time it came under display, which is our strategy, which is indication, correction, then continuation should get to indication. Then if you break it to give us another indication, but you fail to do that, which means something is wrong. So I now say, okay, let me wait to see what is going to happen. Maybe if it comes down below this, but then the time it came here, then it started rejecting, which means this market is not trying to give us that continuation we are waiting for. So how do you know what to do next? You have to move back to higher time frame to see what the higher time frame is saying. Then I move down to daily time frame. So guys, coming to daily, and I find out that the reason it's not trying to go down is because we have a daily indication. This is a high, right? Okay, this is the previous high before this one. So you mark it, straight it all the way to this side. As you can see, daily have what? A buy indication. And market is correcting, then it's about to go on a continuation. That is why it's not trying to give us that continuation that we're waiting for. That sell continuation. Again, if you look at this place, you see that this place is, the lows are getting higher. This is low. This is another equal low. This is in daily. Then this is another place the market came to now and is rejecting. So you notice all this why in daily market is not breaking what? Lows. Let me show you. Immediately market came down from this place. It gave us this low, push up, came down and break this low, giving you what? Sell indication, because it's below this place. It's an indication to sell. Then go on a correction, prefer to give us continuation. Yeah. Then now push all the way up again. Remember, this is now low and higher low, right? Now come all the way up again and break this side, giving you a buy indication. Then go on a correction without breaking this low. So we now have 3 low, higher low, higher low. Our market is doing what? Is now changing to give you what? A higher high. Because this is a high and market gave you a higher low, then what are you expecting? A higher high. So this is the reason why I said, okay, let me move down to lower time frame, like 4 hours, to see what is happening here. Since the daily is showing me that, okay, we have indication in daily, our market is on a correction, let me now go down to lower time frame, like 4 hours first, or first go to 4 hours to see what is happening inside here. So from this place, it will now give me, if there's a rejection here also in 4 hours, and there's an indication to buy also, I will know that, okay, this market is valid. What the daily is telling me is valid. So I'll have to go down now to 4 hours time frame. Sorry, my connection is bad, guys. Then okay, this is 4 hours. Remember, we are just going to focus on what is happening right now in the market. So coming to 4 hours, what are you seeing in 4 hours? 4 hours gave us that indication. This is that daily indication. The market is on a correction, and now it's doing what? It's pushing up. It's not okay. Let me show you something. This market gave you what? When it's selling, okay, let me start from here. This is high, low, high, see low, high, low, high. What do you want? What are you expecting next? Or what do you expect the market to give you is what? Low, because it's on a downtrend. But if you fail to do that, this then give us what? Low and what? Higher low. This is now when everything starts making sense. Market is not trying to break lows anymore. The way it's not trying to break lows in daily time frame. Now 4 hours now have what? A low that is not trying to break, and another low that is not trying to break. Since it's now looking more interesting, then I now say, okay, you now push all the way up to this place and give you can call this whether either you call it a lower high or an equal high, whatever, but just call it, let's say it's an equal high. The market is pushing down now. How do I know what is happening here? Now remember, we're in 4 hours. We'll have to move down. Okay, let's mark the 4 hours lows too. The way we mark the daily lows. This 4 hours first low that is not trying to break. These are another 4 hours low that is also not trying to break. Then as you can see, it's rejecting here, which means it's not trying to break this one again. So now let's now move down to 1 hour time frame or 2 hours time frame to see what is happening here again. The daily and 4 hours is giving us the same thing, the same rejection, the more of higher lows. You get? So let's check 1 hour and see what 1 hour is giving us to. Let me delete so that 1 hour, enter. Sorry guys. Okay, look at 1 hour. 1 hour is looking good. The same thing, the low, that this 4 hours low, another 4 hours low, and now market is doing what? Okay, as you can see, 1 hour is not giving us too many things, too many explanation. It's a little bit choppy, but I can clearly see it. But like, I will have to go down to 15 minutes to just show you guys, explain in a way you guys will understand. But for here, as you can see, 1 hour came to this place and started breaking highs. But let me use 15 minutes so that you see it, you clearly see it. Or should I just mark out the 1 hour lows too? Okay, let me just show you. This is a low. As you can see, the 1 hour lows is getting higher. This is now when you have more trust on your trade. The reason why I'm not afraid to buy now is daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes. They're all giving me the same thing. They are all giving me the same thing. There's no way I should be afraid. Whenever your daily, your 4 hours, 1 hour, 2 hours, all the higher time frame and lower time frame, all of them are aligning. That is when your ICC setup is top notch, is the best. So that is when you should not be afraid. Okay, look at, let me also show you 15 minutes. I don't want this video to be this long, so let me just quickly. Okay, look at what 15 minutes. 15 minutes is very, 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 very nice. Market gave you this high, low, and failed to break this one. As you can see, it push up, came down, and still, struggle to break this place. Then let's say we mark our 15 minutes, which is the same thing as that 1 hour low, and even 4 hours low. You see, another low. Look at another low. Keep getting higher. So why should you be thinking about selling? Why should you be, since market is not breaking lows, why should you be thinking about selling? Now look at it, another one. I entered earlier. Let me also show you something that I did here. So okay, look at market is coming down from here. This is high, this is low, this is high, this is low, this is what? High. A market is meant to do what? To give you another low, but it failed to do that and give you equal lows, and came here and break this high. This is now when you see your what? Indication. Because in our strategy, whenever market break a swing high, do you notice all this while from daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, there's no a proper, okay, only daily we have indication in daily, but in 4 hours there's no any like proper ICC setup. It's just like normal market structure that I'm teaching you right now. Now look at the ICC setup in 15 minutes. This is a high, right? You mark your high. Take it all the way to this place. Assuming I saw this earlier, I would have entered off here. The market break this place, giving me what? Indication, go on a correction. Let me use this so that you guys see what I'm talking about. I'll be entering this state for this. Further market break this high, giving you what? This indication, go on a correction. Back to this place, I will buy and keep my stop loss here below this low, because it's not breaking lows. Why should you be afraid? Keep your stop loss there. It's not going to break it. It's not, because all this while is maintaining lows from all the way from daily time frame, is maintaining lows. You get? Look at it. Keep your stop loss there, then you make your money. Now, I don't even know where I keep it's like my TP is way up here. So, but let me just finish, then I'll go and check my phone. So this is indication in 15 minutes. Correction, then here keep your stop loss here, you make your money. Then when it's pulling back again, you should not be afraid, because it break another high. This is a new high. That's why market have to pull back, because it's not just going to give you a stress move. You see, so when this market break this way, it gave me this indication, go on a correction. So when it was coming down, I think right around here, I keep my what is it called, alarm here. Immediately market triggered my alarm, I entered on. My stop loss is way down here, so I was not afraid. So coming back again now to make this video, now say that okay, I've finished the correction. I would have just waited. It's nice to wait to to properly say that your correction is over, but why I'm not afraid is because I know all this why market is not breaking lows. So if I keep it down here, there's no way market is going to break it this time. There's no way it's going to break it this time. So that's why my stop loss was here, because it did not break this low, and it is not going to break this low. And again, it's going to still come down again, but it's not going to do what? Break this low. Because the lows are getting stronger from daily. So this is the place I entered. This is how my trade is looking. I entered somewhere here, then I was on a drawdown, but my stop loss was way down here because I don't want it to break this low. Then I'm targeting the 1 hour high first. So if you break this 1 hour high, what do you think I'm going to do? Let's move to 1 hour right now. Oh, sorry guys, my network. This is the 1 hour high. So guys, quick one, I just have to show you guys that it have gotten to the 1 hour high. This is the 1 hour high I was showing you. As you can see, this is 1 hour time frame, and this is the 1 hour high, and it have gotten to here. So my stop loss was way around here. So sorry, my take profit, I've taken partial now. So, and this is another high now. So market is definitely going to market is definitely going to retrace back to this place. So we're going to get something like this indication above this too high. So this indication, market is going to go on a correction now. Then if you start building up again, I can still take another buy, because this is valid by the daily indication. If you break the 1 hour high, we'll go for this next one. So I'm going to swing trade it, or I can just close in 1 hour, then wait for it to pull back again, then I'll enter. So as you can see, that is ICC for you. Very easy to understand. Check your daily, check your now look at the daily high. Just imagine if I hold this trade all the way to this place, it's definitely going to get, because that is daily indication. Yes, let me show you. If you move back to daily here, that is daily indication. Let me make it big so that you see what I'm showing you. You see, that is the indication, correction, and market is about to go in a continuation. But I won't take this risk. It's definitely going to get to this, but it's going to take long. So I'm just going to close either the 4 hour or 1 hour high. So between this place or somewhere here. This is a very, if you are trading volatility, 91x is a very high volatile market. So even here will be giving me enough money. I'll be in a very nice profit. So that is it, guys. I'm going to make the correction video today. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to make the correction video. So also anticipate that. I have an indication already, so I'm going to make the correction video. Then next will be the continuation. I've made this particular video, this particular one, like 4 good times now. After making it, I won't be hearing what I'm saying on my OBS, but I think I'll fix it. So hopefully this one will be okay. Then I'll share it with you guys so that you learn how to trade. Firstly, I first saw my indication in daily. Now, because I was actually in lower time frame, like 1 hour, waiting for a sell continuation, but it's not giving me that. So I have to do what? Move down to higher time frame to see what is happening. That is why I came to higher time frame now, so that market break this side, giving me indication, going a correction, and all this while market have been building. The lower highs are getting bigger, are getting higher, I mean to say. So this is a lower high, this is another lower high, another lower high. It's going to push up to this place and come down and make another lower high, then and continue, because it's creating an uptrend. So then I moved down to 4 hours to also see what is happening on 4 hours. Now find out that 4 hours have more of lower highs, but there's no a buy indication in 4 hours yet, except this daily indication. So I moved down to lower time frame again, like 1 hour. 1 hour was not clear enough. I moved down to 15 minutes. 15 minutes was showing me exactly ICC setup that I've missed one. Then I entered the active one. Then I'm making this money now. So that's how easy ICC is. So I'm going to make the correction video to teach you. Okay, for those of you now, this is another type of correction that will enter inside this place. But okay, let me not just talk about this. Video is going to be long. Let me not talk about correction here. Wait for the correction video. It's going to be interesting, trust me. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching.